What's up guys, this is Kamlesh from the Unbox Gear. In the video, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or unwrapping this screen protector from brand name Scratch Guard over here. There are a lot of other screen protectors available in the market, but the reason why I got this particular brand is because I've used their screen protectors before and they are really good. Also, they don't tend to leave any residue if in case in future you want to change or replace your screen protector, guys. So that being said, I'm gonna show you guys as to what all we get inside this packet over here. So before proceeding with the unboxing itself, let me quickly give you guys an overview of the packaging over here. Here in the front you can see Scratch Guard original high performance film. So there are a lot of fake brands over here, guys. Be careful where you purchase this from and read the reviews. I got this from the official Scratch Guard website over here, scratchguard.in. Link, everything will be in the description. This is also available through Flipkart and Amazon. Link for that will be in the description. It is a little cheaper through Amazon or Flipkart over here. At the back it says easy application only for big coating, 0.1 mm thickness, high clarity, precision touch, ultra smooth over here. And the MRP written over here is 1199, but I paid rupees 779 for this product over here, guys. So this also comes in two different variants, guys. One is a clear finish and another is a matte finish. I personally use my laptop indoors, so glare is not an issue for me, and I also tend to feel that glossy finish makes pictures and movies look a little better when compared with matte screens, but that's totally up to you because glossy screen has its own disadvantages of getting fingerprints and smudges, which can easily be avoided by getting a matte screen protector. But that's totally up to you. All the pricing will be in the description. So let's go ahead and get this started with. Let's take out the packaging. Let's see what are the content. The packaging, you get a film and a microfiber cleaning cloth. I would have really appreciated if they would have thrown in a alcohol and a dry wipe over here, guys. That would have made the process further very simple. So let's proceed with the installation, guys. Next process, you will be needing a good glass cleaner over here, a high quality microfiber cloth, or you can use the microfiber cloth included with the Scratch Guard itself, a tape, and the scissor, guys, and obviously your laptop itself. So let's go ahead and get this started. Take out the tape and stick it in the back of the laptop like this, and leave a little bit over here and just cut it like this, and do it on the side itself. You don't have to be very precise over here, just do it randomly. All right, once you're done that, and over here it says, let me focus, remove this layer prior to application. So this will be upside down like this over here, guys. Okay, and just check if it fits perfectly. My laptop screen is 5.6 inch, so this Scratch Guard would usually work with all the laptops that has a screen of 5.6 inches. So just make sure you align it properly. There will be a little bit of gap over here and there. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure everything is aligned properly. Once done that, just stick the tape on top of the screen protector over here like this. Once done, check again if all the gap and the top is perfect, then just go ahead and remove it like this. All right, if you want, you can also stick another tape over here. Let me show you guys. You can stick a piece of tape like this to lift it easily and close it like this. So do it once or twice to see if it fits perfectly. And yes, once done, now it's time to clean your laptop screen. For cleaning, you can use an alcohol wipe or a gadget screen cleaner like this. This is an alcohol-free cleaner, which I got this from Amazon. Again, link for this product will be in the description. I usually don't spray it directly on my laptop screen because this is a non-alcoholic screen protector and I'm not sure how quickly it will dry, and I don't want it in a places like your microphone or anything like that. So I'll just do a little spray on top of my cleaning cloth over here, microfiber cleaning cloth, and just clean it like this. You can also use the microfiber cleaning cloth that came with the scratch card itself. Once you have done wiping, guys, also you can do is make sure you remove the small lint and dust particles through the help of this tape over here. How I like to do it is I just see if there are any dust particles. I'm just going to lift it without using my cleaning cloth. Once you're 100% sure everything is clean and neat, just remove this plastic film. And then don't touch the sticky side of the screen, guys. Just lift it with the help of the tape that we sticked earlier and just place it. You can give a little bit of pressure. And there you go, guys. So all you have to do is over here is remove the bubbles. So for that I'm going to be using a credit card or debit card, any type of plastic card over here, and just place your microfiber cloth like this on top of the card and just press the air bubbles out like this. Yeah, just don't apply too much pressure, guys. I'm not applying any pressure over here, just doing it lightly. If the bubbles are not going, leave it the way it is. It will eventually disappear by time, guys. So just don't apply too much pressure, guys. That pretty much sums up the video, and if any of you are wondering why in the world would anyone need a screen guard for a laptop, then that's just because I tend to clean my laptop screen a lot because that's what you're looking at most of the time, and I like my screen spotless. And no matter how careful and no matter how good your microfiber cloth is, at the end glass is glass and glass will scratch. Shout out to Cherry Reg, everything over there. And if you're an OCD like me, then that scratch will be bothering you every time you'll be looking at your laptop screen, which can be easily prevented by this screen guard over here. That's about it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any doubts, any issues, make sure to mention it down in the comment section below and I'll definitely make sure to help you guys out. That'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching.